This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz S550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, active ventilated front seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, an air suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, soft closed doors, the pre-safe collision mitigation system, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Westchester for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 1260 Wilmington Pike in Westchester. We look forward to serving you.